Hi guys, I'm Clinton with BBQ Pit Stop. One of our most popular grills is the Yoder YS640. This one's on a comp cart, so we decided to show you how we burn our new grills in. There are two ways to do this. The first one is you just get your grill off the pallet and into this position. This is just taking all of the stuff out and putting it in there. Then you turn it on and burn it in at 350 degrees. The second option is what I'm going to show you today. And that is spraying it down with some fat and then letting it burn in at 350 degrees for an hour and a half. So with this second option, you're going to take out the grate, and then you do not want to spray anything on the thermocouple. So you just do a little makeshift tent with some foil. And you just wrap that up real fast. It doesn't need to be tight. We're going to take that off immediately. So when you get to this stage, you just spray it down. Make sure you get a good coat all over the place. Spray down the inside. Then you'll put in this second shelf. Get a good coat on there. You don't need too much, just a good amount just to get the seasoning process started. Once you've sprayed down the inside, don't forget to remove your foil. All this did was protect the thermocouple so we didn't spray a bunch of oil on it. After you've sprayed down the inside, fill your hopper with pellets, turn it on. It takes a minute for it to start up, and then we're going to prime the auger. Since this is the first time that it's been used, there's about a 6-inch auger that needs to fill up before you start your grill. Once your auger is primed, all you have to do is hit start. The Yoder defaults to 350 degrees, so all we do is hit this top button and it will immediately start going. Sometimes what we like to do, and this is completely optional as well, is we like to make sure that the igniter is actually lighting the pellets, especially on the first time. Once we see a flame, we typically put it all back together and let it do its thing for an hour and a half. Now that we know that there's a flame going, the igniter is working, the pellets are dropping, we're just going to leave it here for about the next 90 minutes and let it do its seasoning process. Well, it's been running for a couple of hours. We forgot about it for a minute, so it's been on for about 2 hours. It's holding tight at 350 degrees, plus or minus a couple of degrees. We're gonna open it up, see how it looks. It's looking fantastic, the way that we want it to. And that's it. All we have to do now is shut it down. Now this technique you can do on any grill, any smoker that you want. Some smokers come with a preset seasoning process. You can use that one. If it doesn't come with that preset process, you can use this process that we just lined out here.